Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a stop motion video on CapCut PC. So make sure they're around like half of a second, like all the photos. I'm just going to copy and paste this and like place it on top of the other photo, and I'm going to adjust the opacity so I can see what's underneath. I'm just going to take another, I should have masked it probably. Take another part like here and then fit it with the other one. Oops. And you're just going to do that until all of it is finished. I feel like it's going to take a long time, but I'm just going to whoops. I might just copy and paste it. You can also add in the same color for the canvas. Like that. Let me go here again and kind of adjust it a little bit more. It's already in the same spot, I'm gonna guess. I'll do like one more frame actually here. Let's see. It's easier to just have like one photo, by the way, but like one photo per frame. Just gonna place it on top again, adjust the opacity here, and I'm just going to adjust it with the picture. Adjust the opacity. If it's too long, you're just going to make it even like smaller than that, maybe like half of it. But that should be it. Really just adjust. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.